Hey, this is Nate from Voltage, and welcome to part 2 of our Send and Receive video series. If you missed part 1, you will get a link to that in the description below. But in this video, you are going to learn how to receive a Lightning payment on your Voltage hosted node. After some time, you'll notice that you'll get a message that says your Voltage channel is open, so now you can receive payments. Let's go ahead and receive a payment to our Lightning node. To do this, the easiest way is to go to Dashboards on the left side, click Dashboards, and then in Thunderhub, create dashboard. This will take a few seconds to load up. After it is finished provisioning, click Launch Dashboard, click Login, and then enter your node password. After that, you will notice that you are at a new interface for your node. This is where you can send, receive payments, open channels, close channels, and interact with your node directly in a user interface. You'll notice on the left, we will see that we have a channel from the peer Voltage, and we have 0.5 million or 500,000 Satoshis of inbound liquidity. So we can receive now up to 500,000 Satoshis. Let's click Home. And then on the Lightning side, we will click Receive. And what we are doing is we are generating a Lightning Network invoice. And an invoice is a string of random letters and numbers that you need to provide to someone who's going to pay you. So let's say that you are you want me to pay you. So what you would do is you would go into amount to receive and you would put in how much you want to receive. So let's say 1,000 Satoshis. You can enter a description if you'd like, totally optional. And then you can add a time frame if you wish for the invoice to expire if it is not paid within this time frame. We could say 5,000 seconds, and then you'll see an option include private channels, yes or no. Let's go ahead and leave it default and click create invoice. Now you'll notice you're presented with a QR code and the long string invoice that corresponds to the QR code. Now you must give this to the person who's trying to pay you. If it is somebody that is right next to you in person with a mobile wallet, they'll probably want to scan the QR code. But if it is somebody that you are emailing or something, perhaps, maybe it is something that you will copy the long form and send it to them, or send them both. All right, so let's go ahead and pay that invoice now. You'll notice it now says paid. And if we refresh our Thunderhub, you'll see that now we have 1,000 sats of available funds. Now we can click channels, and we'll see now that it says 1K on the left side. So this is the amount that we own now of this channel. And then you can also click transactions on the left side and see that there was one invoice and for 1,000 Satoshis. And you'll see the green dot, which means that the invoice was paid. And that is how you can receive payments on your Lightning node.